Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a new lesson, which is decimals for 5th grade. Her name is Brianna. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so what do you know about decimals?
I know that decimals, whenever they have that little dot, I know that you don't say like 3.5, you say 3 and 5, you say an and.
And good job. I was about to, whenever you said that little dot right there, I was going to tell you it's and. Because, when do we use decimals?
Well, we use them whenever, let's see, we go to the store, there's decimals there.
Oh, cool. How do we use decimals in the store? Can you give me an example?
Well, whenever we pay, there's like $10.75.
Good job. And then, okay, if you have $10 and it's $7.75, how much it will give you back? What will be your change?
My change would be.
You can use the notebook. Maybe if you need to use it.
$10.75, right?
Yeah, you have $10 and then you buy something that is $10.75 and whatever you buy is $7.75.
So I'm gonna buy something of $7.
Yes.
I'll probably go like this.
Okay, and what's gonna be your?
We subtract.
Okay. I want to see that.
5, 7. I'll probably get like $10.68.
No, because you have $10.75, and then okay. Where's the board? Oh, thank you. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you have $10, right? $10. Mom gave you $10 to go to the store. Oh, right? Store. I was gonna write store. And then you want some, let's say, candy or cookies are $7, right? Oh, it was 75, right? It was 75, right? So we put down 75 cents.
Yeah.
And then 10 minus 7.
10 minus 7 is 3.
Yes, 3.75. See, it's just easy because you can like if you have 5 minus 0, that's 5.
Because the 7 is in the ones place.
Yes, good job. So it's just like easy to do it. Just add the 10 minus 7, and then you put down the 75. Isn't that it? Okay, something new today. So, you think that all the decimals are on the same place value?
No, not all decimals are on the same.
Can you give me 2 different examples with the decimal and different place value?
Put a 9.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this is the example she gave me. So can you read this one?
7 and 519.
And this one?
6 and 100s.
Okay, that's a good one. So you see the difference. This is 6, like 6 and 1 and 6 and. So this one is in what place value?
Probably the ones, I think. 1.
You have the 7 right here. Then this one is the hundreds. And this one is the ones. Okay. So for you to have a better understanding of this, I'm gonna have you watching this video, which is about place value. Maybe it's a little bit loud or not. I'm gonna put it in my computer so you can listen to it and have.
I have 2 gold coins that are shiny and round. One's 405 thousandths of a pound. The other weighs 410 thousandths. Which is the greater of my investments? thousandths of a pound of gold. Line up the decimal points vertically, look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent.
I was close, it was a dolphin.
Mm-hmm.
I found 2 pieces of silver, digging in the ground. One was 102 thousandths of a pound. The other piece was 99 thousandths. Which one contained the greater contents? To order them, I looked left to right. Found the first place, that was not a lie. One bigger than 0, so of the two, 102 thousandths was the greater value. Line up the decimal points vertically, look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent. A number line can help make visible the place value of any decimal. Between 0 and 1, divided into tenths. In each tenth fits 10 hundredths. In each hundredth fits 10 thousandths. Each place value to the right is 10 times less. Line up the decimal points vertically. Look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent.
Okay. So, what was something new that you learned from the video?
That I realized that it was like, you know how I said the 7 and the 519 wrong. I learned that was in the dolphins place.
Yes. So I'm gonna give you an example of, okay, let me show you this really quick. If I have 0.3 and 3, it's not 0.3, and I have which one is the smallest one of these numbers? Yeah, so which one you, why?
Because that one in this one, so this is a 7, this one's a 7, and that's a 9. The 0 doesn't count because it's a 0. You just have it there for for backup. And in 7 and 9, 9 is greater, but in 7 and 3, 7 is greater, so 3 is the lesser.
But which one is closest to the 0?
Which one's closer to 0?
Yeah, which one is farthest from the first 0? From the, okay, so what does it say? That's the,
Decimal?
that's, no, whenever it's like far, like from here to here, that means that this is the smallest one. So this is the smallest one. So if this is the smallest one, which one is the greater one? Good job. So the 0.7 is the greater one. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna have an activity for you. You see these numbers here in the computer? I want you to, okay, we did example number 1. You can do, I'm gonna write it down for you, and I will give you about 3 minutes to you put it in order, the decimals, okay? What's another way that you can work with decimals? Do you know?
You could also add multiply decimals.
Oh, okay. So after you do this, maybe we can do some additions. See. And
We could also divide them.
we can divide them too. You think it's easier or whenever we use decimals, or whenever we use like whole numbers without decimals?
I feel like for like the majority, it would be like whole numbers, because some people get confused whenever because they put the decimal in the wrong place.
That's true. And whenever we put the decimal in the wrong place, what changed?
The value.
The value. Good job. Okay, so and this number that you have right here, you gotta put them in order from least to greatest to bigger. Okay, you're gonna use the orange one, and you have 3 minutes to do that one.
Oh, so this one?
Yeah, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 2. So you can do it here in the bottom.
Least to greatest?
Yes. Great. Good job. I love that. How you put that? That was a really great job. So she put them in order from least to greater. So we're gonna erase this, and we're gonna jump to something that maybe you have learned in grade like first, second grade, third, all that. But I have it here for you today. Thank you. So today we're gonna compare decimals. We're gonna compare them. You're gonna say if there is less than, if they're greater than, if they're equal to. Okay? And I'm gonna give you different exercise. Like right now, I'm gonna give you examples. So if I said I have a number, okay, we're gonna start with our decimals. If I have a number 20 and a 40. 20, 40. 20 is what?
20 is lesser.
Okay, can you write the less? Okay. If I write 2, 2, 5.
The alligator wants to eat the one that's greater.
Okay, that's a good one. 20. The alligator wants to eat the big one, the bigger one. Okay. 25 and 25. Okay, that's equal to. And if we put 40, 100. You sure? Look at that. The 20, okay? Okay. So she has a good understanding about the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay? Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so now, since you already know those, I'm gonna give you some decimals and see if you know those. Two and 5, 3 and 4. Good job. And now I'm gonna give you a 5. Good job. Okay. Oh, and she has a very good understanding about the 2.5, 3.4, and all of it. So the decimals. So now, I will have this activity for you that I have here on my paper. Okay, will you write some different examples of greater than, less than, using decimals? Okay, so which one's greater, 10 and 38 or 12 and 40?
12 and 40.
Okay,
Now you do another one?
yeah, do another one. Oh, okay. Okay, so now, I'm gonna get this paper. You're gonna use this one like something like special, kind of like an X ticket. And you're gonna look at this PowerPoint right here that I have for you. And you can click to the right or the bottom, you know. And you're gonna do for this one, you're gonna compare list to graders. And you're gonna do question 7 and 8 for grade to list. And for the decimals, you're gonna do a question 1 through 5.
Greater to least? I mean,
Yeah.
least to greater to least or least,
Least to
to
greater.
Least to
Okay.
greatest.
Yeah, for that one's gonna be 7 and 8. And for the other one will be
7
Oh.
and 8.
I'm sorry, for this one will be 7 and 8, and this one will be, for the comparing decimals, will be 1.88, 7 through 10.
7 through 10. Right.
Yeah. And for that one, you will have,
I'll just
Maybe.
do 7 and 8 in that one.
yes,
Alright.
and that will be like, kind of like your exit ticket. Mm. Good job. Okay, and you can click to the next one. Oh, right here. Okay. There you go. Comparing decimals.
7 through 10.
Yes. That's where you're gonna put either greater than, less than, or equal to. And you have it right here. Good job. Oh, I love that one.
And where's 10? 10.
I like that you were able to differentiate from decimals and whole. That was a good one.
Mhm.
There you go. And that's it. So what are you learning about it? So what other places you think why is it important to know about decimals today? Like what is important to know about how we can use decimals in our daily life every day.
Well, because like I said, we use them in the store, and if we don't learn about decimals, we're not gonna know none of that, and it's gonna be very embarrassing.
Very right.
Mhm.
So whenever we have to have any change, we will be able to count it, right?
Mhm.
Okay, I like it. So thank you so much. Give me 5 for that. You did great.